Welcome to the Pacific Northwest, a land of breathtaking beauty. We're exploring some of Washington's most captivating coastal destinations, starting with Long Beach. This town, with its 28 miles of sandy shoreline, is the longest drivable beach in the US. It's a hub for kite festivals, razor clam digging, and great seafood. Just south, where the Columbia River meets the Pacific, is Cape Disappointment State Park. The park is steeped in history, marking the end of the Lewis and Clark expedition. You'll find two historic lighthouses, dramatic cliffs, and trails with panoramic views of the wild Pacific. Cape Disappointment State Park is a renowned destination for birdwatchers, offering a unique blend of coastal and forest habitats that attract a wide variety of species. The park's dramatic cliffs provide excellent nesting sites for seabirds like brants and pelagic cormorants, while the forested areas are home to resident birds such as bald eagles, Steller's jays, and chestnut-backed chickadee. Visitors can also spot peregrine falcons soaring above the cliffs and in the forested areas, as well as several species of woodpeckers, including the northern flicker. The park's location at the mouth of the Columbia River also makes it a natural magnet for migratory birds, especially during the spring and fall. The park's diverse habitats, from rocky shores and sandy beaches to freshwater wetlands and old-growth forests, support an impressive list of over 200 bird species. Along the coast, birders can spot shorebirds like sanderlings and dunlins, while the beaches and dunes are frequented by different types of gulls and terns, including the Caspian tern. The dense forests and trails provide opportunities to observe woodland species such as the Pacific wren, brown creeper, and various warblers during migration. Within the park, you'll discover a local gem, Waikiki Beach. Named for a shipwrecked Hawaiian sailor, this rugged beach is a popular spot for surfers. It's a testament to the diverse landscapes of Washington's coast. Deadmans Hollow, also known as Deadmans Cove, is a secluded beach within Cape Disappointment State Park. Its grim name is directly linked to a tragic maritime event in the region's history. The story behind the name is tied to the sinking of the ship Vandalia in 1853. The ship, which was sailing from San Francisco, foundered at the mouth of the treacherous Columbia River, an area notoriously known as the Graveyard of the Pacific for its history of over 2,000 shipwrecks. While all aboard the Vandalia were lost, several of the crew's bodies, including that of Captain Beard, were discovered washed ashore in the coves and beaches around Cape Disappointment. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and click notify to see new content. Thanks for watching.